Hello dear children, you all know that algebraic expressions. Now we can study more about these algebraic expressions. You all are familiar with variables like A, B, C and so on. Some examples are there X, Y, A, B, L, M and so on. Okay. We can use letters. Then these letters we can used for variables. A variable can take various values, that is in case of a plus 7 is equal to 9. Here the value of a is equal to 2. And in case of a plus 7 is equal to 10. Here the value of a is equal to 3. That is a can receive different values, various values according to the statement. Clear? Here the statements are a plus 7 is equal to 9 and a plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay. When we add 7 with a, we will get to 9. This is the statement. Then when we add 7 with a, we will get 10. This is the second statement. That is the values are not fixed for variables. A constant is a fixed value. A constant is a fixed value for constant. Okay. Example, x plus 4. Here 4 is the constant. Then x minus 5. Minus 5 is the constant. We can't change the values of 4 and negative 5. Always this will be 4, negative 5 and so on. Then 100. It has a fixed value. 100 is always 100 itself. Negative 5 is always negative 5 itself. Okay. So, that is the constant. Variable can change the values according to the statement. But constant is always constant itself. That has a fixed value. But variable has not fixed value. Here, 2y square. What is its meaning? 2 multiplied by a square number. Here y is the number. Y multiplied 2 times. And find the double of that. That is the 2y square. Okay. These are the factors of 2y square. Then, in case of xy meant by x times y. And in case of 4xy plus 7. What is its meaning? Here, first we have to obtain xy, x times y. Then we have to multiply by 4. Then add 7 with this product. Clear? That is the statement of this 4xy plus 7. Here 4xy plus 7. We can write it as 4 times x times y. So now we can say these are the factors of 4xy. And for this 7 we can write 7 times 1. These are the factors of 7. Okay. Then one more thing. Terms of an expression. Terms of an expression. Terms are separated by minus or plus sign. Terms are separated by minus or plus sign. That is, here 4xy. Here only one term. There is no minus sign or plus sign. But here we are giving plus 7. Now we can say here 2 terms are there. How many terms? 2 terms. Here 1 plus sign is there. Then this 4xy is the one term and 7 is the another term. Okay. Then now we can write the factors of these terms. That is 4xy and 7. These are the terms. This is the expression. That what is the expression? 4x plus 7 is the expression. Then two terms are there. One is 4xy and another one is 7. Now we can write the factors of 4xy and 7. Here 4xy, the factors are 4x and y. For this one we can write 7 and 1 or 7 itself. Okay, we can write simply the 7. Clear you? This is known as tree diagram. Tree diagram. We can draw one tree diagram. That is 8y plus 3x square. Here this is the expression. How many terms are there? Two terms. One is 8y and another one is 3x square. Here plus sign we don't want to give while writing the terms. But if it was minus, we have to mention negative 3x square itself. Okay. Then here the factors. Here we can write the factors of 8y. That is 8 times y is equal to 8y. So 8 and y are the factors. For here x square. What is the meaning of x square? It meant x and x. X multiplied by x is the x square. And 3 will be there. This 3. That is 3 times x times x. In case of minus 3x square, here will be negative and this will be negative. Negative 3x x. This is the way for doing this tree diagram. Clear? Now we can study the term coefficient. Coefficient. Here 7x. Here 7 is the coefficient of x. If only one x is there, then 1 times x is equal to x. We don't want to mention this 1. Positive 1, we don't want to mention. Just write the variable only. Then the coefficient of x is 1. But if it was minus x, we know that that will be negative 1 multiplied by x. So the coefficient of negative x is equal to negative 1. That is numerical coefficient. What is that? Numerical factors are said to be the coefficient or numerical coefficient. But sometimes they will ask, what is the coefficient of 7xy? Only coefficient. Then we have to write 7 is the coefficient of xy. But in some cases, we can ask, what is the coefficient of y? Then at the time, we can say here y is the 7 times x times y. Then now we can say 7x is the coefficient of y. Clear? But maybe we can ask, what is the coefficient of x? Then we can say 7y is the coefficient of x. If they are asking simply what is the coefficient of 7xy, then at the time we have to mention the numerical coefficient, numerical factor. like terms and unlike terms. Here, in case of 2xy and 5xy, these are known as like terms. That is 2xy, that is 2 times x times y. Here, the variable, the factors of variable are x and y. Then in case of 5 times x times y, here the variable part are same, that is x times y itself. Maybe 2xy and 5yx. Then here the variables are, the factors of variables are 2 times x times y, that is x times y. Then here 5 times y times x. Only order is the different or different order. Okay, but the variables are y and y, x and x only. So, order doesn't matter for this variable. Okay, anyway we will get the same variable part itself. So, this type of, if the factors of variables are same, then we can say that is like terms. Other all are unlike terms. That is, here 2xy and 7ab. Here, or 2ab. Here the coefficient are same, but here 2 times x times y and 2 times a times b. Here the factors of variable are different. So these are not like fractions. These are unlike fractions. Here 2mn and 5nm. Here m and n, here n and m. Both are same factors. So these are like factors. Okay, that is like terms. Clear? Now we can study polynomials. There are different types of polynomials. Monomials, binomials, trinomials. What is it? If an expression with only one term is known as monomial, that is one term. So now you got it. What is binomials? 2 terms. In case of trinomials, 3 terms. If more than 3 terms, we can say that is polynomial. Also, monomials, binomials, trinomials are also known as polynomials. Polynomials is the common name. Polynomials is the common name. Okay. For monomials, 7x is a monomial. That is only one term. Then, in case of binomial, 7x plus 2, it's a binomial. Then, ax plus by, it's a binomial. Then, by, this is a monomial. Then, in case of trinomial, ax plus bz plus 2. Clear? This is a trinomial. 3 terms are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, here, x square plus bx plus c, then extra one more plus 2. This is a polynomial. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 terms. Every algebraic expressions are polynomial. But 4 onwards, we have to say polynomial itself. And this is a polynomial. This also a polynomial. Here this is also a polynomial. Then 7x is also a polynomial. But here we can separate it: monomial, trinomial, binomial, binomial and so on. But here this is polynomial. Clear? I think now you got some idea about this algebraic expressions, monomials, binomials, trinomials, like and unlike terms, coefficient, then factors. Okay. Clear? Thank you.